Okay, this brief video is going to introduce to you how to do your data analysis. This comes in after you've run the procedure on yourself and gathered your data. The next step is to analyze the data and prepare it for the lab report and insert the data that's asked for in the lab report. So again, you're going to refer back to the modules section of Canvas, and this time you're going to find the analysis procedure document right here, and this is going to be your guide. So when you open that file, you'll kind of get oriented here. It's just a smattering of data and information and things to read. So typically, this first part isn't essential. What it is telling you is you need to go into the review save data mode. So that's going to be your time to go into this. It's the software is kind of going to be saying, okay, do you want to run more on your procedure, or are you ready to enter review save data mode? So you'll be doing the reviewing data. So as you scroll down on that analysis procedure file, what you'll notice is in this kind of turquoise colored sidebar is a little bit of a anchor point to tell you here's what all this stuff is about. So what you're going to do is you're going to be setting up your display window for optimal viewing of the dominant arm recording. So overall, that's the goal, and then from there you're going to need to be, this first section is going to introduce again the tools. These, if you've watched the introduction to the software video that I made, you don't necessarily need to read through these. That's what I talked about, and I hopefully showed it to you more visually than just the words that are here. So this is all kind of setting you up. This is telling you what you're going to get ready to do for this first stage of the analysis procedure. And then as you kind of flip through it, you're just going to keep your eye on this turquoise section a little bit. This is guiding you, okay, this is what we're doing now. We're going to use the I-beam cursor, which I introduced in that introductory of the software section. We're going to use our I-beam cursor to highlight things. Pretty much, if none of this is making sense, you're going to want to log into our synchronous session at the appointed lab times or office hour times, which are Mondays 12:20 to 2:20 and Fridays 10:10 to 12:10. Just tune in during those times. I'll be available, and you can just ask questions. It's just informal. I'm not going to be lecturing or anything. So this is your guide for how to do your analysis, how to prepare and write up your lab report.